Hi, and welcome back to A. Roberson Photo for a Photoshop quick tip tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I use the rulers and guides. Hit Control R on your keyboard, on and off, along with the polygonal tool to make perfectly straight lines when cutting something out of a complex background or even a simple background. If you want to make perfectly straight lines, all you do with the polygonal tool is you hold the shift key. You see if I move my mouse left or right, or anywhere rather, if I hold the shift key, it makes a straight line. Bam, 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 and so on. We'll just end that right there. There we go. Hit Control D to delete that. That's not a problem, right? However, just say I wanted to get exactly perfect on the line. I want to zoom in really close. The only issue is, well, let's follow this line here. Only issue with that is because I have to zoom in really close, I'm also having to basically use Photoshop to follow my image line for line, and that, oh, I didn't even do that on purpose, I promise. Again, I'm moving too fast, too far, but this is what I'm referring to as a potential problem. So let's just Control 0 to get out of that, Control Delete to get out of that. Here is my quick tip solution that I found that works really great for me. Image, I hit Control 0, is full screen. I'm not zoomed in really close, but we're going to take the ruler and guides, or take the guides, and let's go here, there, and take the guide from the top, and we're going to go there, another one from the top, go here, and let's go here. But because this is not a perfect square, as you can see this little lighted cutout above, what I want to do, because I want to cut it out and make a straight line without having to zoom in really, really close, I'm going to take some guidelines and go further out here. Let's go there. And two more from the top, right? We're going to go there. And let's go there. I guess that's as straight as it's going to get. But without using the shift key now, with the polygonal tool and these guides make the polygonal tool snap to where the lines intersect. I'm holding my hand here just to show you that I'm not using the shift key, just to show you how the lines intersect. So because of that, I don't have to zoom in really close on my image. I can just follow the guidelines because Photoshop is going to help my lines snap. And if I was to hit Control J, that makes the cutout. If I hit Control H to hide the guidelines, you'll see it's a perfect cutout that I was able to do without having to zoom in really close on my image. And let's just really quickly make a solid background just so you can see. Let's use another color. Let's go blue. Okay. Let's use a solid background just to show you how perfectly straight those lines are. And that was because Control H, bring the guidelines back. I use the guidelines. And again, the polygonal tool snap to where the lines intersect to make this perfect square, right where the lines intersect. So again, you can do that without using the guidelines with the polygonal tool. You can always just zoom in close, or if you have a better vision than me, sharper eye, you can do it with the image centered full screen on its own. But I thought my quick tip would help you out. It's new to me. Hopefully it's new to you. Hopefully you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If not, tell me that I'm late, make fun of me, whatever. I love Photoshop either way, so I hope I can help you love it just as much as I do. And until the next quick tip tutorial, have fun in Photoshop. All right? Have a good day. It's always funny when you try to constantly say hi. Hi, hi. You look all weird. If I be serious and hi, then it's like, who's this weird dude? If I go hi, like, dude, is this dude like on something? In this quick tip tutorial, I'm going to show you how I use the rulers and guides in Photoshop to make perfectly straight outlines using the polygonal tool.